Hi! In this video, we are going to learn how to find the next term in an arithmetic sequence. Identify the first term, the common difference, and the next term in the given sequence. So again, sa video na to, kagaya ng ginawa natin sa last video, magpapakita tayo ng dalawang example. And then, susubukan nating sundin itong instruction, which is to identify the first term. That's our first task. To identify the common difference, the second task, and lastly, to find the next term. So, ano yung unang term, ano yung common difference, ano naman yung susunod dun sa nahuling term siguro na binigay sa atin. So, tingnan natin. In our first example, we have 2, 5, 8, and 11. Hanapin natin yung first term, common difference, and the next term. Let's start with the first term. The first term is denoted as a sub 1. So, small letter a and then maliit na 1 dito sa may baba. A subscript. That's how we denote the first term. So, obviously, si first term ay kung sino o anong number yung naunang sinulat, which is in this example's case, si 2. Agad-agad siya yung ating first term. That's how you find the first term. Simpleng-simple. How about the common difference? Common difference is usually, in most textbooks, denoted as D. Ano yung common difference? So, the common difference basically is the number that you added to the first, any of the terms actually. Number na inad mo sa kanila para makuha mo yung kasunod. Number that you add to a term to get the next term. So, anong inad kay 2 para maging 5? Anong inad kay 5 para maging 8? Anong inad kay 8 para maging 11? You can do trial and error. Pwede mong isa-isahin yan. Or you can just pick a number and then subtract mo yung nauna sa kanya. That's how you find the common difference. Since we are sure na itong binigay sa atin ay arithmetic sequence, let's just pick a number. Siguro si 11. Then subtract natin yung nauna sa kanya, which is 8. 11 minus 8 will give us 3. Which means, the common difference for this arithmetic sequence is 3. Pwede mong i-double check yon. 8 minus 5 is also 3. 5 minus 2 is also 3. Pwedeng pabalik. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 will be 8. And then, finally, 8 plus 3 is 11. So, sigurado na tayo na common siya. That is our D, the common difference. Now, how are we going to find the next term? Ibig sabihin, since we know that this sequence goes on forever, ano daw yung susunod dito kay 11? Paano natin gagawin yan? By the way, how are we going to denote the next term? Well, pwede nating bilangin since this is 1, 2, 3, 4 terms already. Tapos we're looking for the next term, meaning we're looking for the fifth term. Siguro yung next term ay pwede nating i-denote as a sub 5. At least in this example's case. So we're looking for the fifth term. That is the next term here. Ano yung sunod kay 11? Paano natin gagawin yun? Since we know the common difference already, yung number na inad para makuha yung kasunod ng isang term dito sa sequence na to, pwede na nating mahanap yung next term. So, si 2 para maging 5 nag-add ng 3. Si 5 nag-add ng 3 para maging 8. Si 8 nag-add ng 3 para maging 11. Obviously, para makuha mo yung next term, kailangan mo lang ding mag-add ng 3. So, 11 plus 3 will give us 14. And that will be our next term right here, which is a sub 5. 14. So, that's our first term, common difference, and the next term. Let's have another example. This time we have 17, 12, 7, 2, and negative 3. We're also asked to identify the first term, the common difference, and the next term. Let's start with the first term. Dahil yun naman yung pinakamadali, si a sub 1 ay palaging yung nauunang sinusulat, which is in this example's case, the 17. Next, let's look at the common difference. Let's denote that as D. So to do that, pili lang tayo ng kahit isa dito. Tapos subtract natin yung nauna sa kanya. So let's say we have here 7. Minus natin si 12. Yun yung magiging common difference natin. Now, pansinin, hindi kagaya nung nauna nating example, ito, yung numbers natin, paliit. Which means kapag sinubtract ko si 7 by 12, magiging negative yung ating common difference. Don't worry, it's fine. Ayos lang na maging negative ang ating common difference. Ibig sabihin lang nun, instead of adding to get the next term, you actually subtracted. And it's fine as long as they are common. Sabihin, pare-pareha siya sa lahat ng yan, ng terms na yan, ayos lang din. So let's check. 7 minus 12 will give us negative 5. So pwede ko nang isulat si negative 5 as my common difference, since I'm sure that the given sequence is an arithmetic sequence. Pero pwede mo namang i-double check kung may time ka. Sa isahin natin. So 12 minus 17 is also negative 5. You can do that the other way around. 7, instead of adding 5, you need to subtract 5, or maybe you can say plus negative 5. It makes sense. I hope it does. Tama rin naman. Mag-add ka ng negative 5 kay 17, magiging 12. Mag-add ka kay 12 ng negative 5, magiging 7. Mag-add ka kay 7 ng negative 5 will also be 2. And then, mag-add ka, mag-add ka kay 2 ng negative 5 will also be negative 3. Kahit isubtract mo yan, negative 3 minus 2 will still give you negative 5. So, sigurado tayong parehas. Ibig sabihin, our common difference is negative 5. How about our next term? Which is in this example's case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms already. So, we are looking for the 6th term, which means we're looking for a sub 6. Again, to do that, ituloy mo lang yung naunang pattern. So, nag-add ka ng negative 5 to achieve all of the next terms, previous terms. Ganun din yung gawin mo dito. Mag-add ka rin ng negative 5. Or if you like to say it, mag-subtract ng 5. Ayos lang yun. As long as they're common, may common difference, tama pa rin yung magiging sagot mo. So, negative 3 minus 5, or if you like, negative 3 plus negative 5 will give you negative, let's use the same color. Let's be consistent with the colors here. We have negative 8. Means our 6th term, ilalagay ko dito is negative 8. Check natin. Negative 8 minus negative 3 will be negative 5. Or negative 3 plus negative 5 will be negative 8. So, nahanap natin ang ating first term, nahanap natin ang common difference, at nahanap natin ang ating next term. Now it's your turn. What will be the first term, the common difference, and the next term of this given sequence? Let me know in the comment section, or kung merong part na hindi mo gaanong naunawaan, pakisulat din yan sa baba. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned in this video.